And getting you the latest update related to superstar turned politician Rajnikant's health. The Thalaiva was admitted to a hospital in Hyderabad following fluctuations in his blood pressure. Remember, this comes a day ahead of Thalaiva's political party announcement. On December 31st, the Apollo Hospital in Hyderabad has released a statement. Though he did not have any symptoms of COVID-19, his blood pressure showed severe fluctuations and needed further evaluation, for which he has been admitted to the hospital. He will be investigated and monitored closely in the hospital till his blood pressure settles down before being discharged. That is the official statement Apollo Hospital took out. Apollo also added that apart from fluctuating blood pressure and exhaustion, he did not have any other symptoms. His daughter is with him in the hospital. These are all the latest developments coming in relating to superstar Rajnikant's health update as he is admitted in the Apollo Hospital in Hyderabad. Apollo took out an official statement also. My colleague Aneri is live with us. Aneri, important developments coming in. Superstar Rajnikant hospitalized, even though Apollo has taken out an official statement claiming that it is not COVID, but they are saying that his blood pressure has stabilized. The latest you're picking up as you're reporting right outside the hospital. Over to you.
Well, that's right, Adhiraj. Now we are here at Apollo Hospital where the doctors had given out a statement yesterday. Well, it's been a day now. Rajnikant was here yesterday night undergoing treatment, and doctors were closely monitoring the situation of his blood pressure, and also anxiety was one of the reasons why he was admitted here. Well, 10 days back he was here at Ramoji Film City shooting for Ante movie, and later a few of the crew members on the film set were tested positive for COVID, and later all the crew members and actors underwent COVID test, and Rajnikant was tested negative, but he still kept himself under isolation. Well, this comes just after after Rajnikant's announcement that he will be making a political announcement on 31st of December. So now the doctors have stated that he is currently stable, but he is still under monitoring, and doctors are closely monitoring his health situation. And later, after 10:30, we will be getting a update from the hospital that how he is doing and what could be the further measures which will be taken from the hospital, and what kind of decision, whether Rajnikant will be discharged today or whether he still needs to undergo treatment. Because as of now, the major reason which was told yesterday in a press release was that he was suffering from severe blood pressure fluctuations, and anxiety was one of the reasons. However, the doctors have said that he is currently stable and asked people not to visit the hospital as Rajnikant would get disturbed, and his daughter was along with him. Well, all the leaders from the Telangana state government and also the governor of Telangana, Tamilisai Soundarajan, has also called him up and asked for his recovery, and also wished for his speedy recovery. All the leaders from the state government also have wished for Rajnikant's speed recovery. Well, now we'll have to see for how long will Rajnikant be undergoing treatment here, whether he will be discharged, and will he be flying back to Chennai. Well, that is a very important thing which we'll have to wait and watch, because Rajnikant is all set to make a political announcement on 31st of December.
Exactly.
So we'll have to see
those are
whether
all the important
Rajnikant will
coming
be
in. That was exactly the question I wanted to ask from you also. Now, this comes, superstar Rajnikant's hospitalization comes at a time where he was all slated to make an official announcement on the 31st regarding his political future.
Well, that's right, Adhiraj, because when we see few days back, it was Rajnikant who had announced that he will be making a political announcement on 31st and in regard with the party launch in January. And this just comes ahead of the Tamil Nadu elections, the Tamil Nadu Assembly elections, and that is the most crucial one, because Rajnikant's focus on the Tamil Nadu elections has gained a lot of political, because this was the first political entry for the for Rajnikant, and so now his monitoring health is very important. And so after doctors advise whether he can travel back to Chennai and any further updates, or Rajnikant needs to stay back in Hyderabad and undergo proper treatment, is important to notice, because after 10 o'clock we will be getting an update from the hospital and whether Rajnikant will be discharged today and can he travel back to Chennai, because after he underwent COVID test, he was tested negative and there were talks that he will be going back to Chennai, but nothing happened. Rajnikant stayed back here and was under isolation, and after that, after 3 days, we saw blood pressure fluctuation for Rajnikant, and anxiety also was one of the reasons. Well, doctors have stated that there's no other reason for Rajnikant's health to be in worry, just that the blood pressure has to be in control, and doctors are closely monitoring the situation as of now.
Right, those are all the important developments coming in. Many thanks, Aneri, for being with us on that. We'll be tracking the story closely for you and getting you the latest that's coming in. Moving on.